my name is Rushikesh and welcome to our channel Learn Code with Rushikesh. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to print 1 to 100 numbers using for loop. So let's start the video. First I'm using VS Code IDE, so don't be worried why I'm not using Eclipse. In the next video I will use Eclipse IDE also. Okay, so let's start the video. Create one demo class or whatever you want to give a name to your class. You can demo.java, then it will create a class, then create a main method in your class. Then my target is to print 1 to 100 numbers using for loop. So write in the comment to print 1 to 100 numbers using for loop. Okay, so for loop, then int I equals to 1, I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 100, then semicolon I plus plus, then sys out, then I will tell why I'm using like this. Okay, so just I want to execute this program. To execute this program, please mention Java C, then the class name demo.java. .java is the extension of our Java programming. Then compiler will compile this program. It will take time. Okay, compile successfully, then Java demo. Okay, here our compiler print these numbers using for loop. Okay, here 1 to 100 numbers are printed. Okay, why I'm using like this? Int is the data type, and then I is a variable which initiate with 1, and then there is I is less than or equals to is the condition, and then I plus plus is the increment. Then I just want to print these numbers. That's why I taken I. Okay, this is the ascending program. Okay, to print the all 1 to 100 numbers. I want to print in descending orders. So take a reverse 100, then I is less than I is greater than or equals to 1, then I minus minus. It will print in reverse order. Okay, so clear. Oh wait, clear Java C demo.java. It will compile, then Java demo. Here our program executes successfully. 100, then 99, then up to 1. It is successfully run or not? Tell me in comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will meet in next video. Thank you guys.